There's been a lot of hype surrounding the TYMO Airhype blow dryer. Let's see if it's worth the hype or if they're just blowing smoke up our ass. Focus! Thank you. Okay, today's the day. Today is the day we are going to be straightening my hair. Look what I got. We're gonna use the TYMO products, TYMO Airhype, the blow dryer, and we're gonna use the airflow. I do also have a hot comb here. I think I'm gonna give this away. Let me sit on it for a little bit. My hair is already detangled. She has styler in it, and she has heat protecting in it. If you are curious to see how I prep my hair to do this, you gotta watch the previous video because I did everything from unraveling my braids to washing my hair, deep conditioning, and even doing a protein treatment. And I did that today, literally, but it's in different videos. And I talk all things products and why I do what I do. Let's unbox this and let's use her. This is a huge box. How the hell am I supposed to open it? It's my first time trying this, so this is going to be a first impressions. It's hard to take this out, so. And all the things that I use is going to be in the description box. Definitely do not hesitate to look at the description box. I take my time filling that out. So yeah. TYMO gifted this to me. So I was like, this is the perfect time to try it. So we're going to definitely give her a try today. It's really cute packaging, if I do say so myself. I don't know what this is. I think this is a bag for the blow dryer. I should read this, but I'm not. Y'all know me. Ooh. This looks so sleek. So this is all the stuff that comes in it. It's the blow dryer and the attachments. So you have the nozzle, the comb, and the diffuser. Let's take her out. She smells new. Oh snap, you know what I just realized? I don't have a brush to blow dry my hair. So normally when I blow dry my hair, I like to use a nozzle and a brush, but I forgot to buy one. So I guess we're gonna be using the comb attachment. Perfect time to try it out, I say. So this is how she looks, y'all. Looks very sleek, very cute. And it has the plastic on it. Normally I like to leave my plastics on as long as I possibly can. Okay, so I just peeped. I didn't know blow dryers can have a temperature setting. This is how you turn it on and off. But you use this button right here to change the temperature. Wow. Oh, y'all know how I just said I like to leave the plastic on? It literally says remove film before use. Oopsies, let's take this off. That's why y'all follow directions. Oof. We're gonna use the comb attachment. Is that it? Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, the comb attachment on the blow dryer don't typically work for me. If you saw my silk press reaction video, y'all heard me say this. It just doesn't work for me. It don't work. I need that paddle brush. I need some type of tension. So we'll see if this works. I'm gonna go to the highest. Might be best to have it detangled first, right? Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real time that this blow dryer is no joke, okay? No freaking joke. This blow dried my hair so fast. I had to show you guys in real time so y'all can see what I'm working with. If I didn't show you in real time, if I had it on 4 times the speed, 2 times the speed, y'all thought I was playing. But no, this is real time. My hair is already dry. What I'm doing right now is trying to straighten it or trying to stretch it so that I can, have it better prepared for me pressing my hair. But y'all, my hair is already dried. It took me, 30 seconds for this little section to dry? 30 seconds. That is insane. That is insane. I have it on 180. I thought 210 might be too much for me to test it. And 140 and 80 degrees is just playing. So 180 first. But definitely got it dry. I can't say that it's gotten it straight as I would like it to be because I'm afraid of heat. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm afraid of the heat. I don't know how I'm gonna straighten my hair when I be like, I don't like getting close. I don't like feeling heat near my roots. So this process is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this up. What makes the TYMO Airhype so special is that it has a smart sensor control system. So basically this avoids uncontrollable temperatures to prevent hair loss and keratin damage. So the advanced T sensor revises heat up to 100 times. It has precise temperature control, and it does have millions of negative ions. Like I mentioned before, it does have 4 temperature settings, and it does have 3 speed levels. The first level is gentle, very soft. The second level is medium, and the third is fast. Throughout this entire review, I did it on fast because I know my hair, the low blow is not going to help here. Right now, I am on temperature setting 180. I decided 180 was probably the best temperature to test it first because I know 80 degrees is very cool. 140 is playing around, and 180, I think it was closer to, in my eyes, is closer to the hottest speed. So I was like, that might be a perfect medium. I did switch to 140 degrees just to play around with it. By that time, my hair was already dry though. So when I say this is going to be my favorite blow dryer, this is my favorite blow dryer thus far, and it doesn't play around at all. If I want to blow dry my hair on cool setting, I can. And honestly, when blow drying the hair, it's good to use the cool setting afterwards to, you know, really close the cuticle. I'm telling you this right now, I really don't like the comb attachment. Like, not just like on the TYMO, I just don't like the comb attachment because I feel like the tension that I need, that's required for me to get my roots, because I can't get my roots. So I'm gonna try and use this Tangle Teaser and hopefully get my roots. Ooh, child. Yeah, so like I said, going in with my Tangle Teaser to use that as my tension to straighten my hair more. Now, I wasn't necessarily looking for my hair to be bone straight, but I did want to get most of the kinks out, and that starts with blow drying. So that way, when I go to straighten my hair, I don't have to use such a high setting with the flat iron or the hot comb or whatever it is that I choose. I feel like if I wasn't so scary, if I wasn't such a scary cat, then it would be a lot straighter than what it is now. Damn, my hair long. I honestly don't see how y'all do this because I'm so scared. I am so scared. Look at this clear breeze. No pun intended. I'm just gonna bantu that part up so it stays out the way and then move on to the next section. What I can say is that yes, it does work. I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser to blow dry my hair. I'm not gonna use the teeth part because that's not the type of girly I am. I tried it, it's not who I am. So we're going back to what we know. I just really wish I had a paddle brush. This would make it a lot easier. Oh well, gotta do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do the best with what I get. Yeah, so with that being said, we're gonna take this off and we're gonna use the nozzle. I did decide to use the tension method first because that's what I'm more comfortable with, because like I said, I'm not comfortable with the comb. And with the tension method, if you don't know, I'm just holding my hair with a little bit of, I'm holding it taut basically. So I'm holding it stretched in my hand instead of using the comb to brush through it first. And this allows for my hair to dry in a stretched position, if that makes sense. It's the fact that I use the tension method and it's blow dried. It's blow dried. But we gonna blow dry it straight. And that was fast too. This is a really good blow dryer. To do the rest of my hair, I decided that 210 degrees was definitely the best degree for me. Not playing around, just go ahead and going in. And the good thing about 210 degrees, even though it sounds high, honestly speaking, when it comes to blow drying the hair, the fact that it's temperature control, which means even if I blow dry my hair for a whole hour or so, it's still going to be 210. It's not going to go over that. It's temperature controlled. So I think that's pretty awesome. And I like that temperature feature. It's just pretty cool. Just in general, I love it so far. Love it. That's it. I just needed to use my brush. I don't know what else to say other than this blow dryer is definitely worth the hype. The hype around it is legit because it blow dried my hair super fast. And the more I looked at this footage while I was editing, I'm like, Sharatia, you did not have to go over this so many times. It was already dried. It was already straight. It was going to be as straight as it can get. Your hair is kinky, girl. What is you doing? So just to reiterate for like the 1000th time, amazing blow dryer. It's super light. And after I blow dried my hair, it didn't smell like it was hot tools. Like it didn't smell like it was heated in no way, shape or form. My hair still smelled clean. It still smelled light. It still smelled good.
Chop your body,
I'm just so used to my hair, you know, taking forever to blow dry, just trying to get the perfect result. But what is perfection if it's not TYMO? This is a perfect blow dryer to me. Definitely keeping this in my routine. In the future, I would like to test its capabilities with the diffuser. Like if I wanted to do a wash and go, if I styled my hair in twists or plaits and I wanted to blow dry my hair, I wonder its capabilities and if it's going to blow dry my hair fast using that tool. But that's for a different video. Oh, and you guys, it does have an auto clean feature. I didn't show you guys in the video, but just so you know, it does have an auto clean feature, which I thought is pretty cool. When I blow dried my hair, you guys, I mean, to see my hair stretched out in this status, to see the length is just mind-blowing to me. And later on in like a different video, I did straighten my hair and I did a big chop. As I look back, I don't think I needed to cut as much as I did. I think I was just doing a little extra, whatever. At this point, I'm just talking. I'm gonna let y'all just vibe out to the music and watch me blow dry my hair. And towards the end, I will come back with my final thoughts.
What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? On no name. Anytime you're ready, girl. On the name. The face make me fly. In the rain, it make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act. Taste like sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the track. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off.
Did you hear what I'm saying? I think it took me like 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes to do my hair. Not bad. The only thing is, I guess I've been kind of spoiled with the Rev Air. All I have to do is just hold it there and it dries. But what I've noticed with the Rev Air, because I am pulling my hair, it's probably pulling from the root. It's probably pulling out from the roots because I use it on the highest setting. I probably don't need to use it on highest setting. I don't know for sure. I can't guarantee that that's the reason why my density is a little low. It could be a lot of factors, honestly. What I'm gonna do for right now, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna be cool on the Rev Air. This does dry super fast too. And I like the fact that there's like 3 temperatures on here. 80 degrees, 150 degrees, and I think 210 degrees. So I think that's really cool. You can do all 3 temperatures, either on low, medium, or high. So I think this is pretty cool, very innovative. I like it. Like, how pretty is that? That's gorgeous. I kind of want to take out my hair just so I can see how it looks. Let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm just taking it out so I can see, and then I'm gonna put it right back up. You know what? I decided that I don't want to straighten my hair anymore. I'm gonna leave it just like this. Yeah. Psych! I used a 2-in-1 TYMO Airflow. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you guys in my next video, so stay tuned.